Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable developer mode on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the launcher menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to go down and select Chrome OS settings. And then on the right side where it says security options, go ahead and enable developer mode. Select confirm, and then you will need to restart your computer for the change to take effect. So just close out of there, restart, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.